So we're here back at the bridge. It's the earliest I've ever been anywhere, so I'm pretty excited to go. This is the multi-species challenge.
I am going for the first sunfish. Boom. Sunfish number 1.
Smells like fish. He's pooping.
Long ear sunfish. Boom. Beautiful.
Oh,
Did it get in your eye?
A little bit. I think I got feces in my eye.
Long ear sunfish, species number 1. Boom.
Ooh.
Did you get that?
Wait. Now. Long ear. This challenge is in trouble.
It's pretty.
Beautiful.
Up. Bye.
We've got to get another species. We've been here about 30 minutes and we have only long ear sunfish. We have about 6 of them, but we need some other species quick.
Squirrel.
So what do we have? Is it another long ear? Walker, species 2. Species 2, bluegill, bam! All right, species challenge is fixing to include this little guy.
Oh.
Or not, grab him. He found freedom.
The mongrel. Don't you even blessed.
Green sunfish. It's got the yellow on the fin, the bigger mouth. Species number 3, green sunfish. Bam! All right.
We'll name you Gerald.
Awesome deal. Gerald's going free. Bye, Gerald. 3. We're getting better. The update is...
It is 7:39. We have 3 species and only an hour left to fish.
It's getting tight. Don't know if we're gonna make it. Oh, something's got this one. Set this up. Hurry.
Oh, it is. Something's on this. It can't get...
Reel, just reel. Get up here and reel. Switch places. Craziness. What do you have?
That's a little carp.
Species 4 coming up.
Oh, man.
Check your drag. Largemouth bass. Double, guys. We got a double going.
I don't think I can reel this guy up.
Okay, I'm getting the net. Largemouth bass.
Common carp. Oh, man.
I'm gonna set him in here and let him go so we don't throw him. Nice, easy release. And then we'll get that in this as well. Largemouth bass, going free.
Carp. Oh, and largemouth bass is still in there.
Dude, we got a double. We're gonna hold this double up.
Oh, gosh.
All right. Dude, that's an awesome double. All right, you get your carp. What a double up. Walker, what's up?
That was amazing.
It's insanity, man. Are you kidding me? Bam, species number 4.
Bam, species number 5.
Wait, hold him up there. Boom. Yeah. Awesomeness.
Awesome nails.
Look at him.
Y'all will be buddies forever. Timmy and Derek. The bass is Timmy. The carp is Derek.
One gone. 2 gone.
That was insanity. That was amazing. The perch that's on a hook is going crazy. And so I'm thinking that I'm gonna either have to get the net or get the rod. The rod with the carp bait is going out. And so I'm like, I gotta set this hook, and it hits the side of this metal bar right here. And I'm trying to pull it off, and then I just went. Y'all saw the rest. That was amazing, dude. The real question is, who had the smaller fish?